And after multiband compressor, I usually add an EQ to have more control over the frequencies that I compressed, boosted, or dipped out from vocal.
And now everyone dies after saying our goodbyes. The curtain falls on an empty hall. And now everyone dies after saying our goodbyes. And now everyone dies after saying our goodbyes. The curtain falls. And now everyone dies after saying our goodbyes. The curtain falls on an.
So let's check other parts.
That dark and awful feeling within, the one that feels like fucking up.
And now I feel like it needs more characters. It's so raw. Yes, here we have added a tube compressor, then a passive EQ, but the characters they add is clean, almost clean. EQ could be really dirty if is driven too much. But anyway, I need to add a independent plugin for adding characters, like Kelvin. This gorgeous one has a lot to offer. So let's bypass second stage and focus on first one. Oh yes, let's put it on second one. This keeps higher frequencies cleaner.
That dark and awful feeling with. That dark and awful feeling within. That dark and awful. That dark and awful feeling. That dark and awful feeling.
Okay, let's go to tube ones.
That dark and awful feeling within, the one that feels like fucking.
And I can tighten up this tube character by trance simulations.
That dark and awful feeling within, the one that feels like fucking up inside. That dark and awful feeling. That dark and awful feeling within, the one that feels like. That dark and awful feeling. Dark and awful feeling with. Dark and awful feeling within, the one that feels like fucking up in.
Actually, defuzz in off position is better. Dirty characteristic is really fun.
That dark and awful feeling within, the one that feels like fucking up inside. I wish there was some way to start.
So let's check other parts.
But I'll be gone, I'll be gone tomorrow. I was a curse to all the magic does.